Hi. Today we will see how to show confetti on a website using JavaScript. Let's see the code. This is our HTML file. First of all, in the head tag, integrate this confetti JavaScript code. In the body tag, we have a container div tag. Inside that, we have a button. When the button is clicked, the show confetti function is called. In the script tag, we write the JavaScript code. This is the show confetti function. Here we configure the parameters of the confetti, like how many particles should be shown in the confetti, how long the confetti should spread out on the screen, its speed, etc. And then, we show the confetti. In the style tag, we write the CSS code. This is the button's CSS code. And this is the container's CSS code. This code makes the button come at the center of the screen. Okay, now let's run this HTML file in a browser and check. As you can see, when I click the button, the confetti is shown on the screen. You can use this in your website when the user accomplishes some task, or some important steps get completed in the flow of your website. So that's it. That's how you can show confetti on a website using JavaScript. Thanks for watching.